Today is a special day because you are a special one. How are you? As I promised, it is an amazing video because today we are talking about you. Be yourself. Who am I? What do I want? Why am I here for? These are the questions that haunt us. People are mostly a combination of their good and bad traits, and figuring out which of these define you will help you understand yourself better. Which adjective would you use to describe your personality? So we're gonna say the adjective and we're gonna say the opposite one out of it. Outgoing, shy, daring, cautious, patient, impatient, talkative, quiet, leader, follower, generous, selfish, rigid, flexible, traditional, modern, optimistic, pessimistic. Being yourself doesn't mean you are selfish, and it doesn't mean you don't care about others. Being yourself means you like who you are. Being yourself, it means living life how you want to live it, regardless of other people's opinion, and it means you respect yourself. Can we change our personality? Don't make the mistake of thinking that our defining personality traits are set in stone. Human beings are dynamic. Just because you believe in one thing doesn't mean you can't believe in another. Be open to the possibility of having different, even conflicting views. Changing conviction don't make you a not real person. Pay attention to the following tips to express who you really are. Don't compare yourself to others. You cannot be someone else. Doing this will only prevent your growth and prevent you from discovering your true self. And remember, just be yourself. You are a wonderful. Forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for thinking negatively. Forgive yourself for talking without thinking and always saying positive things about yourself. It's time to get out of your comfort zone. You have probably heard the phrase that progress cannot be made in your comfort zone. The more you get out of your comfort zone, you more will understand yourself and what you love to do in life. Find a hobby that you love. Everyone has something to live for or something love to do. Figure out what you love to do and make a hobby out of it. Doing what you love can make you much happier. In conclusion, having a concrete sense of self is an essential part of your existence. Without it, you will find that goals are harder to define and your needs harder to understand. Just be yourself. You can be much happier person once you figure out who you truly are and when you learn how to be yourself. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and give us like, share and thumbs up. We love you all. See you next video. Goodbye.